Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily connect to Wi-Fi on your Samsung TV, and I'm going to show a really simple way how we can do it. So right now, let's say that you need to click a source. So when you're going to turn on the television, okay, you're going to have the source button. Click on the source button, and then when you're going to have the source button, you want to go on settings, and you can have like quick settings here. And you can, all I'm doing is just like clicking this thing here. You can find the connect network. Go with up again, and then you can have the network settings and status. And you want to click on network settings. So again, settings. Then you would have a general here, network, and open network settings. So this is another way how we can do it. And when you have it, you're going to have the network type here. So you can have an option between wireless and wired. So I'm going to choose wireless. And then you're going to have the network here. So I'm going to choose this one here. Or you can always refresh. And then when you're going to do it, you have to add a password. Okay, and right now I'm connecting to my phone, and we're going to wait how well it's going to go. Oh, it was disconnected. So what I need to do, oh no, I didn't want to do this. I need to go again to network settings. And I'm going to add a password again. But this is pretty much it how we do it. Maybe this is the right password. We will see. And then it will work. Yeah, it's disconnected again. And I don't know what password I just added, so I'll just choose this one. And look at this, here you are, your TV is connected to the internet, and then you can easily just use it. So you have two options how we can connect to internet by settings here. And you're gonna have connected network right here. So that's pretty much it how we can do it. And network settings. And then you can choose it again. Or you can even click here and go with apps. Again. And network status. Right? That's how we're going to find the status. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.